Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to cut an object in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to check if you have here part design mode selected. It is very important to do it. After that we need to click create body, we need to click on create sketch, and now we need to select XY plane. Then we click OK button, and we need to draw here a simple shape. So I select here create rectangle and I click rectangle. Now I draw here a simple shape, maybe something like that. Then I click close button and I select pad. Then I click OK button, and then for example I select upper shape and I click create sketch. Then for example I click on circle by center and I select create circle by center option. Now I draw here a simple shape, maybe something like that, and I click here. Then I click close button and I click on this one option. It is pocket. It will let you to create a pocket with the selected sketch. So I click on it, and how you see we have successfully cut small part of the object. And of course you can increase the cut area if you will increase this length. For example, I will increase it to 9, and you can change the type from dimension to through all. It will let you to cut all parts of previous object. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.